SpongeBob SquarePants! Hi, my friends! How are you? Today, we are going to draw and color SpongeBob SquarePants together. I am so excited! Let's start drawing the main lines with black. Are you ready? Let's go! Here are curvy lines for his body. His square pants. His nose. Big round eyes. And his cute little cheek. Oh, SpongeBob is so cute! Don't forget to draw his big toothy smile. And his cute little tie. And then his legs. Now his shoes. And some small holes for his body because it's a sponge. Well done! It's coloring time! Let's start with SpongeBob's eyes and color them black and blue. Black first, and then blue. Do you have a black and blue color? Take them and color with me. Kids, what color should we use for SpongeBob's body? Aha, that's right! Yellow! Yellow it is! Here we go! Do you like the color yellow? Don't forget to color his arms and legs too. And now let's color his funny tie red. Red is great. What color is perfect for SpongeBob's SquarePants? That's right, brown. SpongeBob has a brown square pants. Amazing! Let's use black for SpongeBob's belt and shoes. That's right, black. Wow, those shoes are very shiny. And finally, let's add some shadows. Ta-da! We did it! If you love drawing and coloring as much as I do, be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye!